Today I'm running trains because I got free time. I'm sad because I lost a lot of photos. I sad because I lost a bunch of photos when I was cleaning my Google Photos gallery. And I lost a bunch of personal photos of my godchildren, a bunch of videos that I record to use on a project, and now it's all sad right now. So I'm running Pete. I'm testing this tunnel, and Pete seems to struggle to climb it. Sometimes he can go through, which means it's the battery really, because this battery is new. I'll probably add this wagon. It's from Thomas the Tank Engine, but it's a brand that is very common here in Brazil. I forgot the name. If I remember, I will put the image right now, and you will see what type of engine would pull this. But it fits. The tracks is 24 and slash 24-25 millimeters. So it works, I guess. Let me couple to them. Let's see if they can pull that. I really wish I could find a way to solve the wheel slip issue, because it's very annoying and not cooperative. I don't know if it's these plastic pieces that hold them, but it struggles a lot, really. I don't know, maybe the wheelbase is too short, so he gets stuck everywhere. Maybe if I use those, I can solve some of the issue. Let's see if he... I guess it improves. But I think I will repaint Pete again, just because he looks very worn out. I guess that's the video for now. See you guys later.